Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss these 5 topics one by one. First, sum a simple range of cells. Second, grand total. Third, running total. Fourth, to calculate sum on the basis of one criteria, which function is used, and to calculate sum on the basis of multiple criteria, which function is used, right? Let's start. First topic, how to calculate simple range of cell. English, Hindi and Maths marks is given and we have to do total of these marks. Which function we will use? That is sum function. How to use sum function? Select these cells, then type sum function equal to sum, press tab key, select this range, then bracket, close, then press Ctrl Enter, C. Right, next grand total. How to do grand total? A range of cells. First select these cells, then simply click on auto sum option. Right, next running total. Deposit date, item and amount is given and we have to do running total. Running total means in first cell 30,000, in next cell 30 plus 5 35,000 and in next cell 35 plus 4 39,000 and in the last 39 plus 1 40,000. How to do this? We will use sum function. How to use sum function? Select these cells, then type sum function equal to sum, press tab key, click on this cell. For running count we have to do fix this cell, and to fix this cell then we have to use dollar sign, right? Dollar, then colon, again click on this cell, then bracket close, press Ctrl Enter, C. Right, next, how to calculate sum on the basis of one condition. Item and quantity is given and we have to do sum of only pen quantity. Right, how to do this? One criteria is given, then we will use sum if function. How to use sum if function? Equal to sum if, then press tab key, range criteria. Criteria is pen and pen range. Select this list, comma, criteria pen, comma, sum range. Sum range, we have to do sum of quantity. Select this range, bracket close, press Enter, C. 14, pen 6 and 8, 14, right? Multiple criteria. How to calculate sum on the basis of multiple criteria. Product, supplier and quantity is given and we have to do sum of quantity, right? But first condition is that product should be apple and supplier should be Ritika. Which function we will use? Two conditions is given, then we will use sum ifs function. How to use sum ifs function? Equal to sum ifs, press tab key, first sum range. We have to do sum of quantity. Select this range, comma, criteria range 1. First criteria product apple and range. Select this product list, comma, criteria apple, comma, criteria 2 range, then criteria 2 supplier Ritika and range. Select this list, comma, supplier name Ritika, bracket close, press Enter, C. 420, apple Ritika 300, apple Ritika 120, 300 plus 120 420, right?